Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Pinterest account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your Pinterest account's password, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on human icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on your profile icon. You will end up on the profile section of your Pinterest account. Click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. From the displayed option, tap on Account Management. Click on Password. To change your Pinterest account's password, enter your current password, create a new password for your Pinterest account, confirm your new password by re-entering it and then tap on Done. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change your Pinterest account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.